Hello and welcome back to anyone that is following this series. For anyone that doesn't know me, my name is Jutan Al-Ahmed and I've been conducting some research by investing £100 or equivalent into Bitcoin since May 2024. The research is based upon what would happen if I invested £100 or equivalent into Bitcoin rather than the norm of investing into a pension pot. Do watch my introductory video of this series from May 2024 to gain a better understanding of the research that's been conducted and the reasons why. This is year 0, month 2. Let's begin and let's dive straight into it to see what's happened to my Bitcoin investment. So it's been an interesting month to say the least. So currently I own 0.003720008 Bitcoin. I've invested £200 in total so far. So my investment's currently at 189.56. I'm just going to show you the history of my trades and stuff. So let's pop it here. So in May 2024, as you saw, I bought 0.0188, and then on the so I was DCAing a bit within the month rather than just buying a full £100 worth straight away. So I done it within the first week because after that I got very busy in real life. So I thought, you know what, let me just do it by the 7th. So the 1st of June I bought 0.00066, and then again 0.26 on the 5th, and then on the 7th 0.00091 Bitcoin, and that gave me a grand total of 0.0037208. Now, one thing to remember, right, this Bitcoin purchase, it's not even about fiat, if I'll be honest. It's about how much sats you can stack, lol. But yeah, so as you can see here, well, there was £100 invested. It did go up a bit, and that's when I put in £35, and then I put in another 15, I believe, and then the rest of 50. It went all the way to £203.54, and then over the last few weeks, there's been a huge correction and stuff. It's gone down to £189.56. What you could argue is if I bought now, I could have had more, but it doesn't matter. It's about the long game. This is the whole point of DCAing and using the dollar cost averaging strategy. Anyway, so that's what I have here for now. Let's go. Well, even if we go to 3 months, we can't really see anything here. But let's go on to the 10-year DCA. This is where I'm inputting everything, as you all know. So holdings, it's saying that I've got 0.003731. Let's see if that actually matches with this. Okay, it's saying 372 there. Okay, it doesn't, but it doesn't matter. It's very similar, and we can adjust that later. Anyways, all-time profit, loss of £10.82, as you can see here. That's basically all my money gone. Lol. It doesn't even matter. This, by the way, I am no financial advisor, no tax advisor, no legal advisor. So just do be aware of that. This is all for research that's being conducted, as you all are well aware of. But yeah, £10.82, 5.39% loss. Allocations, everything is in Bitcoin right now, and it will be for the whole duration of this 10 years, right? Anyways, so let's see, right. 100, it's just fluctuating every second, isn't it? Let's look at 30 days. So we can see we'll gain a better understanding from next month, because that'll be what, 2.5 months-ish that I would have invested every month. If you are joining me on this journey, do comment down below. Let's see what you're also getting up to. That'd be really fun to know that there are others joining me on this journey. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you do pop a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to continue on this journey with me, and together let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.